Hi, this is Robert Baltz, and I'm recording this for the Muskogee, Oklahoma Genealogy Zotero Users Group, and it's going to be about research using Zotero for the research log process. This meeting is supposed to occur on 3/16/2023, and the URL for Muskogee is in there. And let me share screen. Should see a screen now. Oh, well, wait a minute, it's coming up. There you go. You should see that now. I've decided that for all my presentations from now on, I'm going to do workflow process because at Rich Tech this year, it gave more context to me and it was better for me when I had workflow on the user spaces, and I could take and adapt that to my workflow. I don't expect to use my workflow, but I think it's more relevant. What I've chosen as an example is Libby's challenge for this month. We have members that give us a challenge on their brick wall each month, and this is Libby's. Perhaps some of the members here will recognize it. Zotero was, I use it for a low overhead to take and record my research process and write research logs. I'll be using Family Search for the data, but you can use any one you want, Ancestry, MyHeritage, anything like that. Anything for this one online. If you do a book, it's a little bit more complex, but you can do the same thing with the book. You can do it with vertical files. You can do it with just about anything, even documents that you have on your computer. And the first form I'm showing is just a thought process that I use. So don't get too excited about that. Where'd it go? That's what I thought I was showing you anyway. There you go. And okay, what I'm specifically trying to achieve at this time is I'm trying to for the target person that we're working on, I'm trying to find, identify their neighbors and use the associations that's available in Roots Magic 9 and the associations that's in Family Search that take and research this person as a fan research project. So I'm working on Martha Turner, who's 24 years old. And I have found her in the 1870 census, and here she is. And on this page, I would say three things to Zotero. I'd come up here and click this, which says Save to Zotero, and that would automatically put it in Zotero. I'd come over and open this up and save it. And I would come over here and open this up and save that link too. I'm just going to show you this one. I just did it. Here we are, and here's Martha Turner. There are two in here. I'm going to delete this one, show you how to do that. So that moves an item to the trash can. And use this one and notes. And I'm going to add a note. And I'm going to pop. Oops, that's not what I wanted to show you yet. That's too early. Back to here. And I take this information and I just copy it and bring it over to Zotero and put it in here. Okay. So now we've got Zotero. We've loaded it up. Here's all the research that I've done for this particular project. So you can see a lot of stuff. You can select individual pieces or the entire group of pieces that you put in here, which you do by doing a shift click, and it's like highlights everything. And you can come over here and generate a report. But just before we do that, let's see what format that report's going to be. So we come up to edit, we come down to preferences, and we look down through here. It's Chicago Manual that I've chosen. I've chosen HTML. There's also, if you prefer, just a text format. Say OK. So we're back over here. It's still selected. And generate the report for the items. And this is the report that you get. And so this is in Zotero still. And you have all of this stuff. Now you want to save that report. And you come up here and you say save. And there it comes. And it's going to downloads. And I'm going to leave it as a Zotero file. And let's go ahead and close this. And let's open downloads. And there is our Zotero report that I just put in there. You open that. And you'll notice it came up in the browser. All these links are hot. You can go to them. So those of you that have seen some of my work and know that I like to write documents, timelines, and stuff like that with hot links in it to the resource papers. This is how you do. This is one way of doing it, and it's fast and easy. You saw me put one in here. Here's another thing that I've noticed just this today is that when I put notes in there on it, you saw me cut and paste those notes in there. Look at this. That's hot too. So your notes are hot, and you can go right to that research document in your notes, which I think I will probably be using. Okay, so that's how you generate a report, and that's how you save a report, and that's how you do it in HTML. Now, I wanted to show you some additional reports just to show you what I've been doing. I don't just work on other people's stuff. Here's my grandfather, and here is his report. Here is his data that I collected. And I'm going to show you a different way of doing it this time. I'm going to take and go over here and right click. And now I'm going to generate a report from over there. And that gets a report for everybody. And you can see what I put in there. That may be useful to you to see what kind of stuff I do when I'm doing a full-blown report. I write a lot of notes and observations and copy what's on those pages and all kinds of stuff. All right, now let's save that. Let's say William Zotero. How's that? Okay, and let's go get that. And there's William Zotero. So now we've hit that. So this is Ancestry Library Editions. I'm not logged on. I don't want to do that. That crashes everything. Tried that earlier, as you can tell. But here's, is that going into Ancestry Library Edition again? Yep. Okay. That's not good. That doesn't work. Let me find something that I'm logged on. I didn't log on to Ancestry. Here we go. Family search. So that works too. So here's my grandfather's stuff. I can go look at this. Oh, this is my favorite, one of my favorite records anyway. Look how they spelled my grandfather's name. The priest changed all my grandfather's, all my family's names when they were baptized. So it's a sore spot with me. And so, of course, when those records go in, then people use them. Okay, one more thing I want to show you while I'm here is we went to Roots Tech. And another thing that I use this for, these are the sessions at Roots Tech that I went to and the various URLs and stuff that people there recommended that I go to. And this is the report that I created for Tuesday. Come on. Well, I didn't want to take and do it like I thought it would. So let's try and see. Yes. Well, it's not doing it. Okay. Maybe it did someplace else. Maybe I've got another report. Oh, no. Oh, here it is. Okay. So evidently you can't do that twice. Okay. That's what I wanted to demonstrate. Let me get to the Zoom. Let me leave the meeting.